Good morning, all Goenkar. Poyare Baba, this is the famous Soza Lobo restaurant from Kalangut since 1932. काल हांगासर एकले भिंगटाकारान बाट गेल्ला. काल तेजे 40-50 जण दादा येवन वेटराक मारल्या, सेक्युरिटीक मारल्या. अँड लूक ॲट द डिस्ट्रॅक्शन. रातचे 3 फ्लावर पॉट उडयल्या. हांगा कितें डेकोरेशन काडलेलें गेल्लेलें तेंय मोडून उडयलां. आनी हो सगलो आतां गांवचो लोक प्रेझेंट आहा टू लूक ॲट दीस डिस्ट्रॅक्शन. पळया रे बाबा, हो आमचो पंच मेंबर, आनी एकलो पंच मेंबरूय आहा थंय, आनी हो सगलो गांवचो लोक हांगा आहा. आयका रे बाबा गोंयकारांनो, ह्या भिंगटाकारान भायले लोक हाडूंक ना, हे गोंयकारूच हाडलेले. थोडे सेक्युरिटी एजन्सी म्हणटात, सेक्युरिटी जाल्यार सेक्युरिटी करा रे बाबा. दादागिरी ही गोंयकाराशीन करिनाकात. हा, I don't know if there was a security agency involved, but please note, all security agencies don't make dadagiri when you are security, and especially with regard to Goans. आता वो सोजा लोबोचो ओनर आहा. आता तुम्ही सांगतले 1932 सावन हे रेस्टॉरंट हा. Is he dealing in drugs? No. Is he dealing in ladki and cocaine and ketamine? No. So there is absolutely no dispute with regard to gambling, madka, cocaine and all those shit things ladki to make allegations on him. This is pure dadagiri from this Bingtankar who was building illegally, and आमी बरे भाशेन तेजेर केस घाल्ली. आयका रे सगले, चड करून पुलीस गोचो बेदी आसतना हे कोहेंच काम जायना. दे डोंट फ्लाय इन पीपल फ्रॉम आउटसायड. हे आमच्या गोच्या लोकांनीच केला. आनी सगळे गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटांकूय मागता, हे भिंगटांकार येयले आनी 4 आणे 8 आणे तुमकां दिले. प्लीज डू नॉट स्टँड विथ देम against an innocent Goan who has an iconic restaurant like this. Now I will ask the owner of the hotel to say a few words. Bye, कितें उलोवपाचें आहा तें उलय तूं.
What I feel is, first of all, what I feel is this man is a coward, because this restaurant stands here from 1932, 20 years for my marriage. And I know that as a child also I used to come here for lunch or dinner to this restaurant. This way is our traditional way for years to come. Soza Lobo is on the world map and nobody can deny it, neither the panchayat, neither the government. Now what I find funny about this Delhi man is, he comes at 2 a.m. in the morning, he breaks our entire footpath. Not only that, he damages our property, which he has no right to. He is gone, thrown our tables, chairs out. For what reason? Best he knows. But I would say he's a total coward because he has done this illegally. If he was legal and right in his matters, he would have come in the morning and broken this. But he had no guts. And I would tell this man, he should wear bangles now because he cannot face us. And he has kept goons all over the place checking on us. He beat up my staff, beat up my security, and now he's hiding. I guess he's hiding in this shithole of his which he has bought. And I'm asking the CRZ and all the government departments what they have done, how they have given him permission to build. Goans, kindly take note. If they can do this to an age-old restaurant, imagine what they will do to us in the years to come.
Thank you. Bye. Nitesh, हांगा तुका कितें म्हणपाचें आहा हेच्या बद्दल? हेच्या बद्दल कितें म्हणपाचें आहा? सगळे नाका, तूं उलय.
कालांगूट पळय कितें चल्लां हें सारकें न्हू. तुका तूं जर लिगल आहाय जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा कोणूय सांग, तो भायलो जावं कोणूय सांग, अशें लोकलाक गोंयच्या आमच्या कोंगडच्या त्रास करपा येना. तूं जर सारको आहलोय, तूं दिसाचें येतले आसले आनी मोडटले आसले, रातचो येता म्हणजे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तूं इलिगल. आनी हांगासर बिचार खूब बाउन्सर काय दिसता. तूं कितें करून करताय? कोंगडकारांक चॅलेंज करताय? ओके, आमी एक्सेप्ट करता तें चॅलेंज. या पळय तुमी कितले आहा ते. पूण हल्ली दादागिरी कालांगुटान चलची ना. आदी केले ते केले, आतां पश्चे ना तुमचे.
This is the last thing I'm showing you all, Goans. Hang your heads in shame. कोण जाणाय मरे? Police officials, government officials, CRZ officials. हा? तुमका फोन येता वयरसून मरे. अरे MLAs, सरपंचास, look. हा? वयरसून पळय फोन येता. तुमकां सकलसून आमी वोट घाल्ला आमचें बरेपण पळोवपाक. हा? आनी तुमकां ही वयरसून फोन येता. वयर कोण आहा रे? सांत आलेस हांव परशुराम आहा रे. Listen, all you Goans who have supported this effort to see this restaurant damaged here, go home and think, आयज तेका फाल्यां तुमी सदांच ऑफिसर आसचे ना आनी सेक्युरिटी फर्म आसचे ना रे बाबा तुमचे. आ तुमकां हेंच घडलें की ना? आ तेन्ना मागीर उगडास काडटले तुमी. I am appealing to all Nis Goenkars, be it the police officers, government officials, हे मातशें पळया मरे आनी तुमीच रोडा पयले. Bye.